Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm gonna show you how you can redeem a gift card on Amazon. It's really simple, so let's hop right into it. So, what you're gonna wanna do is firstly go on Amazon, as you can see right here, amazon.com. It's really simple. And once you've done that, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, all there's left to do is for you to press this section right here with hello, your account name, account and list. You can either press here or under your account you have to press account. Once you've done that, it's gonna prompt you to this page. From this page you can see right here gift cards, view balance or redeem a gift card. You're gonna want to click on that, and once you've clicked on that, it's gonna make you enter your details once again. I'm gonna do that right now. And once you've done that, you're gonna wanna press redeem a gift card next to reload your balance. Once you've pressed that, you're gonna have to enter the gift card code that you have in order to redeem it, and then apply to balance. It's all there is left for you to do. That's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, see you in the next one.